guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. And as 2021 is ending almost, and we are kind of like reviewing everything that we have done in 2021. Okay, and in 2022, we will be obviously starting new things, starting new courses, or blah blah blah, lots of things. Okay, now, here, if you have still didn't start maybe front end, maybe back end that you wanted to start for so long, or maybe Android, Angular, whatever you want. Okay, you didn't started it yet, and you wanted to start it for so long, and like you need a roadmap to follow. Okay, and actually there are uh, always available, like roadmaps are always available in the internet, and there are tons of them, but uh, not in an interactive way. Okay, so it would be great to have the roadmap along with all of the contents built into it. Now there are too many videos that you can see, but I would not suggest that. So I was about to make something like that, like I was perhaps preparing for making something like a roadmap that have all the contents as well. But today I found something really interesting. So this website basically has all of the roadmaps that you want for development, like start your development journey, and you can follow it along. So let's visit the site and let me show you how cool stuff it has. Okay, so let's get into the video, like get into the site. So here is our today's site, that is roadmap.sh. Okay, now you can see the sole purpose of this website is to give you roadmaps, and along with them they have guides also, like video explanation and guides, lots of them. And recently they have started a YouTube channel as well. Here you can see the YouTube channel, but we are not talking about that here. Now, what I like about this website is when you visit one of the cars. Let's see, I want to start like front end dev, or maybe back end dev, or DevOps. Let's go for back end. Okay, just to see it. Okay, so here you can see purple ticks are personal recommendation slash opinion. Green ticks are alternative to that opinion. Okay, alternative to that take or technology, whatever. And gray ticks are something on the roadmap that you can learn anytime. It doesn't require to be followed chronologically. And the grayed out ones is not recommended. Now, you as you can see it here, he has said, yes, he has said personal recommendation slash opinion. Now, his opinion and your may match or may not, but in the most of the case I think that would match. So let's follow the front end, like not front end, back end roadmap. So first thing first, uh internet things. Okay, how does internet work, how does http works, browser and how it works, dns and all. Okay, then comes html basics knowledge, then basic front end knowledge, html, css, javascript, all. Then OS in general. Now, this is the roadmap. As you can see, I am not going to teach you the how to see the roadmap. I'm not for that here. But the interesting part of it is, if you, okay, those are not clickable. Okay, let me go to the front end development and show you one of them. So in front end development, if I, yeah, see, my pointer is changing. Okay, if I click on it, a drawer window opens, and here you can see like how does internet works. In that you can see here are some free contents listed as well, like read the page, like those will be the documents that you can read, and those are some of the videos that you can watch. Okay, and you can edit this page as well. Like editing here means this whole website is a open source project, you can contribute to the project. So here's the thing, and you can mark as done if you have done it. See, it crosses it, and I hope it actually saves all of the data via cookies, nothing else. Okay. So you don't have to log in into it actually. And rather than the roadmaps, like roadmaps are built in a great way. You can see those here. Okay. Like all of the roadmaps are really in great way. Huh. And rather than that, you have guides, a guide section where you can see a lots of things that they have listed over here. And it's really great. It's really great to have all the datas in one site. It's like a mine of data, not data, but learnings that you can have uh, of technologies in general, because they are not following only for front end or only backend, they are following everything. And they have listed their videos here as well. Okay, videos about all of the things. And rather than that, nothing, a thanks section and a subscribe section. So in the subscribe section, here is something interesting. So you can give your mail out for monthly updates to receive, and you can actually sponsor in their website to get notified about updates, get notified, get access to paid videos, support the project and all. Okay, if you like this project, I think you would like to support it as well. And that's about it. And if you want to say thanks, like those companies have backed them up, and those are monthly sponsors, so they're giving them, showing the respect to them as well. So yeah, pretty much great website. Like this gonna be a bookmark for me for sure, because this will come in handy for me for most of the cases, because I would like to learn from it. And that's about this video, nothing else. Start learning, that's it. Make a new year resolution. Like, actually don't make a new year resolution. New year resolution are meant to be broken, so don't make it, but just start it. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some other great resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.